SOFI update on the 1st. So we killed earnings, we raised guidance, beat on revenue. Everything looks great. We're up 13% today. The overall market though is dying right now. I'm going to do a video on that after this. It still looks good though, I think. And so looking at the chart here, just short term, based on what we have right here, this is going to be a pretty quick video, but we have A, B, C, A, B. I mean, it looks to me like, well, let's zoom in here, I guess. This right here appears to be, it looks like a ABC move, so A, B, and we could be currently in a C wave. If you look at the 1.61 fib of this A wave right here, you'll see that we basically hit the 1.61 fib. And so I guess there's potential that we did top out right here for the short term. So I think we could pull back. We already have actually pulled it back to 603 on a lower time frame. But I think we're going higher after that. So I think it's going to be ABC, and this will basically be the overall kind of like an A wave, and then we'd pull back for a B wave somewhere in here, and then again, if we travel to the 1.61 fib, that takes us to 767, and I'm targeting the top of this trend line from a long time ago. We have A, B, C, D. I'm looking for an expanded triangle up here at 944. Seems kind of far out there right now, but we killed earnings. The only thing that needs to fall into place now is the Fed tomorrow. If the Fed is any way dovish at all, then I don't see why we don't do A, B, C, A, pullback B, and by the end of the week hit like $7 or $8. That makes sense to me. Potentially, this could actually look like this: A, B, C right here, up at like 770, somewhere in the sevens. Doesn't have to go to the 1.61 fib, and then we pull back maybe early next week, and then we go higher into the end of the year. So that's a possibility if we get a dovish Fed. If we don't get a dovish Fed and the market starts selling off, we could still go down, and that would just basically be because the overall market is not doing good. And if that happened, I would look at this kind of like this being a B wave right here, and then we would get a C wave down, and this potentially could turn into A. So A here, bounce B, so ABC bounce B, and then we would get a move down to complete this overall correction. That would pretty much stand in line with SPY going down to breaking the low. If we got a hawkish Fed and they say they're going to keep on raising rates into 2023 and 2024, then we're probably going to go down no matter how good our earnings were. So let's hope for a dovish Fed. It pretty much comes down to that. But we're up 13%. Pretty nice move. So we'll see what happens with that the rest of the day. Again, though, it looks like this ABC move is finished. And so the targets for the B wave are anywhere from, we already hit this target right here, so that could be it at 602. The other targets would be way down here. I don't think we're going to go back this far, though. So I think the 0.23 fib was the right place. And we hit that at some point. Where did we hit that at? Yeah, ABC right here. I think that might have been the B wave right there. So if that's the case, then we hit 603. The bottom here is at 490. We could probably go another $1.13 higher than this, so I would say 759 would be a good target, along with the 1.61 fib. So 759 to right there again, 767 to 759 would be my target. So that all comes down to the Fed and what they're going to say, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start that next leg up with the market bounces back. So if this is ABC, this could be 1, 2, we could get a third wave up here. Remains to be seen, but the overall market, which I'm going to do a video on here in just a second, I'm expecting it to bounce. So we'll see. It could still be in a B wave too. This could be A, B, and we get a C wave down here. And it might just take a little bit longer for it to consolidate. If that's the case, we'd just be looking for it could go all the way down to 584 would probably be the farthest I would see it going if it still is in the B wave. So down to here. Or it's finished right there, and the next move will take us to 740 to 770, something like that. So we'll see what happens the rest of the day. I might make a video after the market closes too, but hell of a earnings report, and let's all go make some money. I'm sure some people make some money on the options today. Pretty nice pop. So I will put out a video later today after the market closes. All right, good luck today.